So the other week I was on a lovely road trip. I was really enjoying myself. I had only done about 30 odd miles and I was getting to a meet point to meet my friend and I got a puncture. Okay, very unlucky, but at least it's a front, not too bad. Pulled into a petrol station, decided, right, let's change the inner tube here, put a fresh one in. Now, we couldn't work out what actually caused the puncture. There was nothing inside the tyre. The rim seemed to be okay. And I thought, okay, fine. Well, anyway, I guess we're just going to have to put a new inner tube in and carry on going and see if it holds. And we'd done about 15 miles trouble-free. And then suddenly, round a corner, boom, it went flat again. So I thought, that's it. I'm going to have to call recovery. Lucky for me, I was waiting for recovery, and my friend Terry was going to the exact same rally I was going to, and he happened to be driving past in his van. And yes, I took a lift with him to the rally. We took the wheeler off in the evening and passed the tyre around, saying, right, we know it's from the tyre side because we dipped the inner tube in a sink, and it's definitely coming from where the tyre is, not the rim. Here was the bizarre thing, though. Wasn't really anything in the tyre. There was a little bit of a something, and we thought, okay, maybe it's that. So we trimmed that out. There was a slight deformation in the inside of the tyre, but nothing too major, but it could have worn a small hole. So we went about fitting the new inner tube into the bike, and everything was absolutely fine. The rest of the weekend was okay. But on closer examination, when you look at the two inner tubes that I'd gone through, they both failed in around the same place. We just put it to some sort of lucky fluke that I actually put the tyre back onto the wheel in exactly the same orientation that it was before. But I did the whole ride out on the Saturday and on the Sunday, and I was absolutely fine. So yeah, decided, okay, well, I'm going to head home now Sunday. And I was heading home, and I got a third flat about 6 miles from home. So I limped the bike at 20 mile an hour all the way home. It hadn't gone completely flat, but it felt very much like the previous punctures I had. Right, so we've got the correct location of the valve. So I'm going to take the tube out now and find the puncture, and then we can work out exactly where this came from, inner or outer. If it's inner, it's a spoke and a rim. If it's outer, it's something in the tyre. Now, last time we had one in the tyre wall. So let's see what happens this time. This is just weird. I've got the puncture's there, and it is literally almost in the same spot as the other puncture. This is the different wheel, though. This is a different wheel. That almost lines up again. That pretty much lines up again with the previous puncture. This is so bizarre, like having both of them go. It's got to be these are all the same tubes. So it's all happened on the same tubes. So I reckon defective tubes. There's got to be a defect in the tube. There's no way. Okay, for the same to the front to go, that's fine, but the exact same spot on the rear as well. It's got to be the tube. It can't be the tyre. It's got to be the defective. There's got to be a defect in these tubes for them to be like pretty much in the same spot. That's just so weird. That's absolutely crazy, isn't it? All three inner tubes failed in exactly the same spot. So yeah, my advice is, and the thing was, these weren't even that cheap. These were the same price as what they were for sale on Wiimoto, but just do not get unbranded inner tubes off eBay. Get a named brand, and then I think that would avoid this situation, because this is probably some proper cheap Temu special or something, where you get them for like £1 or something. I don't know, AliExpress or something. That's the only thing I can think of. You make your own decisions, but for 3 inner tubes to fail within the same time period, in the exact same location, on different wheels of the bike, whew, yeah, it has got to be a bad batch of tubes. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Like, comment, whatever. Am I unlucky? Lucky? I don't know. That was mental.